Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do a 1,000 peso mystery box unboxing plus a bunch of Gachapon Avengers mystery unpackings because I really want to get like the cute Thanos like figure over here. So I bought a bunch hoping to get myself one. So let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we constantly do giveaways on this channel. In fact, we're giving away 4 1,000 peso tech mystery boxes from Poundit to 4 lucky winners. Details of that giveaway can be found there below. So please make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram and click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. And by the way, we are announcing all the winners of the 4 running giveaways at the end of this video. So that's the winner for the Nike Off-White shirt. That's the winner for the 10,000 peso backpack with 10,000 pesos gadgets inside the backpack. We're giving away the winner for the Redmi Note 7. And we're also doing the giveaway for the Harry Potter Van sneakers. So let's go. So before we get to this 1,000 peso tech mystery box, I want to get started with the Avengers Gachapon. So Gachapons are like random packages. Well, there are packages and you have a chance of getting one of the many like figures that you see printed at the back of the packaging. So you have no idea what's inside. You pay like 279 pesos per with the hopes of getting the character that you want. I bought 4 because I want to get Thanos. So as you guys see, I collect like infinity gauntlets at my back. So let's get started with the unpacking. So let's start with this one. Wow, they really made sure that you can't see from the outside. Black Widow. So there you have her, Black Widow with her weapons. I don't know what you call them. They're like our fancy metal arnistics. So that's the first one, Black Widow. We only have 4. So we only have like 4 chances to get them. Next up, here's the other Gachapon or random pack. Let's see who's inside. Again, still hoping for Thanos on this one. Let's see. Let's go. Come on, guys. Give me the mad. Oh, boom! Bilis oh. Second pa lang. So here you have it. Thanos, the Mad Titan himself in his majestic gold and blue and black armor with that dual-edged blade. Looks really kick-ass with that Thanos chin over there. Whew! At least on the second try, I already have it. So anyway, let's keep going and see what else we got. Might as well like unbox the remaining 2. So we also have, I wonder who this is. Well, I'd love to have like maybe Iron Man. That would be nice. You know, it would go really well. Oh, we have Nebula over here. Of course, the daughter of Thanos. So we have Nebula with her mechanic arm part, with her mechanic face. And lastly, but not the least, we have one more pack. Let's just take a look at what's inside this packaging and see if we get Iron Man or we get whoever that we want to get. So we have what? So yeah, we have another Thanos. So yeah, it looks like they heard me, or at least the Gachapon gods heard me. We have 2 Thanos figures from this set. By the way, funny story, the display where they had like the Gachapons actually had like a sample Thanos figure embedded at the top. So since I really didn't want to take any chances of not getting it, I asked the people at the store if they were willing to sell me the actual box with the Thanos figure already. And guess what? They actually said yes. So so I actually bought the entire thing. So in the event that I didn't get Thanos in any of the 4 packs that I just opened for you guys, I actually have him over here. This is the actual display box. This is where you get like the random Gachapons. You pop that open. So yeah, they actually sold me the actual packaging and I have a third Thanos over here. Before we get to the main event, which is our unboxing of the 1,000 pesos gadget mystery box, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, The Fifth. The Fifth is a brand based out of Australia that focuses on high-quality fashion watches such as this one. They have great designs to pick from, very affordable. By the way, a 10% discount code is waiting for you guys in the description box as well as pinned in the comment section. So if you're looking to buy like really nice, affordable, classy fashion watches, check them out. Apart from the watches, you can also check out their wide range of leather goods, ranging from folio, sleeves, and other types of products that you guys might be interested in. Please do support the brands that support this channel because they allow me to keep on doing content for you guys. With that out of the way, let's get to the main event, guys. This is the 1,000 peso gadget mystery box from Pound It. Again, I am giving away 4 pieces of this, so 4 lucky winners will be able to get their own mystery box to unbox for, well, their own entertainment, I guess. So you have the packaging of Unbox Me over there from Pound It. It is your typical like white carton box. Again, what you guys will see here is not necessarily what you will get in the mystery box that I will send to you if ever you win. So let's pop this open and see what's inside. So we have 3 items over here in brown wrap paper. So let's start with this one. It's like a small packaging, most likely going to be earphones from Xiaomi, I think. Well, there you go. I'm kind of good already at guessing what's inside the mystery boxes from Pound It. So this is a Xiaomi in-ear teal colored earphone. So that looks really nice. If you take a look at the color, kind of hype. If you think about it, reminds me of the Air Max 270 Dusty Cactus. So that's the first item. We have the Xiaomi in-ear headphones. Next up, we have what looks like chopsticks. Well, they're definitely not chopsticks, but they are, it's a 2-in-1 Have It cable. So it can be a micro USB and it can also be a lightning cable. So if you have like 2 smartphones or 2 devices, one needing a lightning cable, one needing a micro USB, this should work really well. And lastly, one more device, probably not a power bank, or maybe a power bank, who knows? I love power banks. So let's just take this open and see what's inside the packaging. Oh, well, I did not expect this at all. It's a phone. It's not a smartphone, it's a phone. So it's it's the Philips EI or 103. It's your typical analog smartphone, maybe that you can use for emergency calls, I'm not sure. But hey, I wasn't really expecting this at all in the mystery box. But yeah, so just a quick roundup of the 1,000 pesos that we value, or 1,000 pesos box. You have the cable, you have the headphones, and you have the phone. I think now is the time for us to unveil and announce the winners of the 4 current giveaways that we are doing. Let's kick it off with the winner for the Nike off-white shirt. Let's go. Congratulations to the winner. I will be reaching out to you via Instagram, so make sure that you check your messages for my message to see if you won. Next, let's find out the winner to this Redmi Note 7 smartphone. So let's find out who the winner is. Boom! Congratulations to the winner to the Redmi Note 7. I'll be reaching out to you via Instagram. Watch out for my message. Next up, we have the winner for the 10,000 peso backpack with gadgets. Maybe it's a backpack with 10,000 pesos worth of gadgets inside them. So let's see who that one lucky winner is. Congratulations to the winner. And lastly, guys, let's find out the winners to the Harry Potter Vans sneaker giveaway. Go! Congratulations to all of the winners. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, guys, if you didn't win, it's okay. Joining is free. And again, let me remind you, we constantly do giveaways on this channel. So make sure that you're subscribed and part of our community. And for our Power Up words of wisdom for the day, today is actually Father's Day. I'm not sure if I'll be able to upload this while it is still actually June 16, while it is still Father's Day. But if ever I don't, I think the message is still relevant. My message is simple. I think I mentioned this in a previous video already. Guys, please treasure the time that you have with your dads, treasure the time that you have with your parents. Tell them that you love them, give them that hug, make them feel that they are appreciated, make them feel how you feel, even if they don't give that back to you. Because at the end of the day, it is really up to you to express how you feel to them. And who knows, you expressing your love and your affection and your appreciation might soften them up if they're the type that doesn't usually show that to you. So again, please do show them how much you love them, because you never know when they will go away. As somebody who's lost his dad in the past, I'll tell you, you will miss them. So make the most out of every minute that you have with them. With that said, I hope you guys are all okay. Peace, God bless, what's up? Oh, to all the fathers watching this video, happy Father's Day. Boom.